Have you noticed something? Flying didn't used to feel this hard. The terminals feel bigger, the walks feel longer, the seats feel tighter, and somehow you're exhausted before the plane even takes off. You look around and everyone seems to be rushing, and you're left wondering when air travel turned into an obstacle course. But here's what almost no one tells you. Airlines have quietly built an entire support system specifically designed to make flying easier for senior travelers. Help getting through the airport, priority assistance, boarding accommodations, comfort services that protect your energy and even your health. And the most surprising part? Most of it is completely free. Not first-class perks, not elite frequent flyer privileges, not complicated loopholes, just services that are already available, but rarely explained. The real reason most seniors never use them isn't cost, it's awareness. They don't know they exist, or they don't realize they're allowed to ask. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the hidden airline assistance, overlooked comfort upgrades, and priority services that can completely transform your travel day, from stressful and draining to calm and manageable. And once you know these, you'll never walk through an airport the same way again. If you want more travel tips like this, hit subscribe. 1. Hidden airline support exists, but you must ask. One of the most important truths about air travel is this. Airlines already offer support designed specifically to help senior travelers, but these services are rarely announced publicly. They exist quietly in the background, not because airlines don't want to help, but because most passengers never ask. When you request assistance early, everything changes. Staff can prepare for your needs, guide you, and prioritize your comfort from start to finish. Instead of struggling to keep up with the airport begins to adjust to your pace, and that simple shift makes all the difference. 2. Common tray table mistake. Picture this. You're rushing through airport security, scrambling to grab your belongings off that conveyor belt while strangers crowd behind you. Stressful, right? Here's a game changer that frequent travelers swear by. Before you even reach the checkpoint, pack all your small valuables, your wallet, keys, phone, jewelry, and loose change into one sturdy, thick Ziploc bag. Toss that single bag into your TSA tray and watch how effortlessly everything moves through the scanner together. No more hunting for scattered items or accidentally leaving something behind. When you grab that one bag on the other side, everything you own is accounted for, secure, and ready to go. Travel smarter, not harder. 3. Wheelchair or mobility assistance isn't only for severe disability. Many seniors assume wheelchair assistance is only for people who cannot walk at all. But that's not true. Mobility assistance is available for anyone who finds long airport distances tiring, uncomfortable, or stressful. Airports today are enormous. Walking to your gate can take 20, 30, or even 40 minutes. When you request assistance, trained staff escort you through the airport, help you move through security, and guide you directly to your gate, ensuring you arrive without exhaustion. This isn't about weakness, it's about protecting your energy for the journey ahead. 4. Early boarding and better seats can be granted for free. Boarding can be one of the most stressful parts of flying. Crowds gather, people rush, and overhead bins fill quickly. But seniors can often board earlier, simply by asking. Early boarding gives you time to settle in, store your belongings, and get comfortable without pressure. You can also request aisle seats, seats closer to the front, or bulkhead seats for extra space. These seats are sometimes held back until the day of travel, and airlines are often willing to assign them when you politely explain your needs. A simple request can make your flight far more comfortable. 5. Flight attendants can provide extra hydration and movement support. Airplane cabins are extremely dry environments, which can lead to fatigue and discomfort. What many travelers don't realize is that you can request bottled water anytime, not just during drink service. Flight attendants are there to support your comfort and health. If you need to stand, stretch, or adjust your position, you can inform the crew. They can guide you on safe times to move. These small actions help improve circulation and reduce physical strain during long flights. 6. Temperature comfort, blankets, and medication accommodations are allowed. Airplane temperatures can change quickly, and seniors often feel it more strongly. You can request blankets, warm drinks, or adjust airflow at your seat anytime. Medication is fully protected during air travel. Necessary medications can be carried in your hand luggage, including liquids beyond standard limits when medically required. You may access your medication during the flight. Airlines recognize that maintaining comfort and health is essential. 7. TSA Cares and priority screening can simplify airport security. Security checkpoints can feel stressful. Long lines, shoe removal, unfamiliar procedures. There is a program designed to help. TSA Cares provides assistance for travelers who need extra support. By contacting them before your trip, you can request guidance through screening. Staff can explain procedures clearly and help make the process smoother, allowing you to move through security with greater ease and confidence. 8. Full journey assistance is available. From curb to plane and connections, support doesn't stop at the gate. Airlines can assist you throughout your journey, from arrival at the airport to boarding. Staff can guide you to check-in, escort you to your gate, and help during connections. If you have a layover, they can help ensure you reach your next flight comfortably. After landing, assistance may also be available for luggage and exiting the airport. You don't have to navigate unfamiliar airports alone. 9. Free lounge access may be available during long delays. Flight delays are frustrating for everyone, but especially difficult when you're tired or uncomfortable. What many seniors don't know is that airlines may offer temporary lounge access during extended delays. These lounges provide quiet seating, comfortable spaces, clean restrooms, complimentary snacks and drinks. A calm environment makes waiting far easier than sitting at a crowded gate. This benefit isn't always announced, but it may be available if you ask. 10. Comfort upgrades like quieter seats, pillows, and meet and assist services exist. Comfort extends beyond seating location. You can request quieter areas of the plane, seats away from noise and heavy traffic. You can request extra pillows to support your neck, back, or joints. If you have hearing difficulties, airline staff can communicate directly with you, ensuring you never miss important announcements. Meet and assist services are also available. Staff can guide you personally through the airport, helping you navigate each step with confidence. These services transform the airport from an overwhelming place into a manageable one. 11. Seniors can request full-service check-in, family seating, and special handling designation. Modern airports rely heavily on machines. Self-check-in kiosks, automated systems, digital boarding passes. But seniors are not required to use them. You can request full-service check-in with a staff member who will assist you personally. If you're traveling with family, airlines can often help seat you together. Most importantly, airlines can add special handling notes to your reservation. This internal designation alerts staff throughout your journey to provide additional support, patience, and assistance. It ensures that your experience is smooth from beginning to end. Flying doesn't have to be exhausting or stressful. The support, comfort, and assistance are already there. You just have to ask, what's the best help you've ever received while flying? Share it in the comments to help others travel smarter. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video.